I'm out here at the Anthropology Museum, checking out this park and what else is around here. There is so much stuff to do at Chapultepec Park. There's a lot of art you can see, and there's a lot of crazy stuff happening too. Chapultepec Park's many attractions and entertainers out there will keep you pretty busy for your visit in Mexico. As we were making our way through Chapultepec Park, we came across a show, and it was pretty hilarious.
Balloon. Yeah? Balloon. En China, punzón. En China, pedo. Pedo que sale por el agujero. Bambú. Ahora un elote, no chinguen. Todos contamos en español y lo inflamos y dice... Pendejo, ¿para qué le traduces? Chocorrol. México. You. Moment, please, come. Tantito.
As we were getting ready to leave, we came across these guys on top of this really tall pole, and they're gonna get ready to do some crazy stuff. That's it for Chapultepec Park. There's a lot more to see over here, so wish I could get it all, but not today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share it, subscribe. Peace out.